What's up, everybody? We have officially entered into the ugly duckling stage of cutting the lawn short. And let me show you what's going on. Okay, so here's the deal. I have been progressively lowering the mow height with the auto mower as low as it'll possibly go. So it's set down at its lowest now. And as I said in a previous video, it's been struggling. So today I came out with the rotary and I put it almost as low as it would go to sort of match the height of what the auto mower is doing. And if I move down here, you can see some of the swirlies and crop circles I made with the blade all through here. But it's starting to expose the underbelly of the turf, and we're gonna do something about that right now. So in years past, I've talked about taking grass down shorter, slowly, and you'll have less of an impact on the overall look. Well, I kind of didn't really do that. I just hacked into it because I don't really care. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna get my sunjoe out, and we're gonna pull out some of the debris that's been coming out because the auto mower hasn't been able to cut through it and it's been leaving a lot of stuff behind. So we're gonna see if we can sort of restore some of the color. It is a little overcast, so it should be bringing out some of the browns a bit more than it normally would. Okay, so as I sit here and edit this video, I realize that I'm being really super freaking snotty about this. The color actually looks really good. So I hope I'm not making anybody feel bad, but to me, I think it looks like crap. Okay, back at it. But that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh crap, it's gonna start raining. You know what, I don't care, let's work in the rain. Let's go ahead and run this bad boy. We're gonna run it straight across here. Let's see if there's still a difference between here and there. Since I did that DeTHATCH last spring, if we're still pulling out less material, this would be kind of fun to find out right now. So before I get down into the guts of the lawn down below, I want you to see that contrast right there, everything I'm pulling out. Now I want you to really pay attention to the piles as I cross the lawn. Let's look here. You can see the clumps. I'll shoot it from another angle in a second. But look here. Okay, I want you to see where that switches. Here's our line where we ran the DeTHATCH in the spring. There's where I have a broken sprinkler head. And now look back across. You ready? Check this out. Huh. Interesting. We're gonna go ahead and get this the rest of the way done, and then I'll run the mower over it and clean it up, and we'll see what our final results are here with the way the grass looks, kind of as before and after. All right, let's vacuum this stuff up and see how the lawn looks. Well, that made a pretty good difference, but right now, I got something bad coming towards me, so I'm not gonna be able to do a whole lot more out here. Here's what I wanted to show you though. So I'm taking this grass down. It's gonna put a lot of stress on your grass when you do this. It's probably best not to do it in midsummer, but you can. Plan on there being extra debris in the lawn plan on cutting down into the stalks, plan on seeing your lawn decline a little bit. A quick little brush through with the sunjoe pulls up a lot of that dead stuff, gets me back to a very consistent green. I lost a lot of the brown stuff, but there's still more loose debris that I could take out of here, and I'm just not gonna be able to do it today. So I'll probably do it in between videos. Now, here's something that I think everybody should note. Again, I've been majorly on the water conservation side. I haven't been watering near as much. I've only got my irrigreen running twice a week. Same with the old system. And there's clearly some dry spots and some things that are gonna need to be fixed up. But again, no big deal. We'll kind of see that. This rain's gonna help us, and then we'll kind of start working on that. The big thing here is this has not had any real nitrogen feeding since June. I put green charge in that tank at the end of June. It's been almost 8 weeks, and we're still feeding like this. The only other thing it's had in there is some iron. So it is clearly time to feed. But now that it's raining on me, we'll get that in a later video. Yeah. Okay, bye.